Oh my god. I genuinely think it's a rain rat, but I can't tell. It's either that's it or that's it. I think it's a rain rat.